Hi, welcome to another video of mine, and today I will show you how I made the internal circuitry of the LM741 OpAmp IC. I will also show you how an OpAmp works, so let's get started. So here you can see me searching for a transistor. I've already found one. And you can see I label my NPN transistors by N and my PNP transistors by IP. I'm doing the inverting and non-inverting inputs first. And then I will do the null offset and the output circuitry. So let's just see how I do that. Here you can see me doing a PNP transistor for the voltage supply, and here for the null offset I'm searching for a 1K resistor, and now I've already done that. I'm doing the output. Yeah, you can see on the left I did the null offset and the inverting and non-inverting inputs. Here you can see I didn't find the right value for those R7 and R6 resistors, cause they should be 50 and 25 ohms, though I only found 74 and 22 ohm resistors. If this is a problem, I don't know, like I have to find out, but you can see here's the output node, and here's the supply, and here's the schematic I made. So here I'm doing the PCB for this thing, and this I will just skip, and now I've done it. Like, it took quite a long time to do this schematic and PCB, but I'm finished now, and I will tell you how an OpAmp works. An operational amplifier has two inputs, a positive one and a negative one. It also has one output. The output will always be between V plus and V minus. You can set up an operational amplifier in a lot of different configurations. For example, as a voltage follower. In this configuration, you connect the output to the negative input of the operational amplifier. In this case, the input voltage is the same as the output voltage. Now, let's have a look at the inverted and non-inverted OpAmp configuration. In the inverted operational amplifier configuration, you connect the input via a resistor to the negative input of the operational amplifier. The output is connected via a second resistor to the negative input. The positive input is connected to ground. To calculate the output voltage, you need this formula. Vout is minus Rf divided by Rin times Vin. And to calculate the gain, you use this formula, minus Rf divided by Rin. Now the non-inverting OpAmp configuration. In the non-inverting OpAmp configuration, you connect the input to the positive input of the operational amplifier. The OpAmp's output is connected via Rf to the negative input, which is connected via Rin to ground. To calculate the gain, you use this formula. Gain equals 1 plus Rf divided by Rin. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you liked it, and see ya! Oh, and before you go, I also have my own Discord. You can join it with the link down below.